everyone, good morning. This is Jenny, the garden designer. Wanted to give you a quick tour of my garden. I'm here in South Florida, zone 10A. So just wanted to show you guys what was blooming. Today is October 25th. Got my coffee in my favorite mug. So let's get started.
Okay, so everything that you're looking at, I grew from seed myself. It was a total of about 365 seedlings. We have a mixture of some salvias, a purple salvia, lots of globe amaranth, this purplish white variety, and then I also have a solid white variety. I'll show you some of that in a second. But so I repeat a lot of the same plants, just provides a little bit more impact. I find it to be visually appealing. Then we have some red salvia over here. And this is a Texas variety, so I always look for plants that are, when I'm buying seeds, that are grown in areas similar to mine, right? Not to say that I couldn't grow something that was from up north, grown in a different climate, but Texas, very warm, very hot, similar to Florida. Blanket flower, this is my absolute favorite flower. So proud of this guy. I have a couple different varieties in here, one of which being a Florida native variety, so very hardy, does really well here. This is going to be another blanket flower if the rabbits will stop chewing it. This I had to cut back, but this was liatris, really beautiful purple spikes of color. A different variety of blanket flower. This one's a little bit more compact. Lots of more salvia over here. This is my little patio area. I live in a very teeny tiny townhome, so gotta make use of the space that I have. And then moving over here, behind this bamboo is just my rain barrel. Coxcomb, super easy to start from seed. Love coxcomb. This one is just gorgeous, and it's so big. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it's massive. Wasn't super keen on this peach variety, this orange variety, but I wanted to grow it just to kind of see. And hey, seeds are inexpensive, right? So not such a big deal. Love this guy too. Actually, my mom gave me a cutting of this. I think it's some type of jasmine. But yeah, just kind of threw it in there. So now we have over here in this bed, just to kind of give you an idea, I have more of the purple salvia, and it is getting ready to bloom. I am just so excited because it's just going to be, my bed is going to be full of color. So yeah, really excited for this stuff to start blooming. And then lots more of the globe amaranth. So we have, this softer purple color. We have this white globe amaranth. And then we have a solid purple one coming in. These make excellent cut flowers. So if you're looking for a cut flower for your garden, they last very long. They do very well in heat as well. So this is Western Exposure. They were troopers even through the summer. More of that purple salvia, and then more of the red salvia. I love this red salvia. It starts off before they open, it's got this deep chocolate color, and then they open up with the red blooms. Really beautiful, more compact compared to this purple salvia that I have growing. And this gives you a better idea of those chocolate blooms. It's just, or how it's, chocolate before it opens. It's really pretty. Those caladiums were unintentional. I had caladiums in this bed at one point, and they found their way back. I thought I pulled them all out, and I actually moved them into these hanging baskets. Sorry, the sun's in the way. But yeah, actually, because it's a white one, white's a neutral, color, so it doesn't look too bad. I might just leave it there. Kind of goes with my cottage theme. And then over here I have a smaller bed, but just to kind of show you more of the same stuff. The red salvia, purple salvia, and some Clovia amaranth. Oh, and then I almost forgot, I do have some tick seed coming in too. This is another Florida native, really fun flower. Will have lots of delicate yellow blooms. So yeah, thanks for coming along. I believe this is about 200 square feet of space. I'll double check and let you guys know. And like I said, about 365 seedlings. And I started growing them in June, July, and planted them all this month, October, earlier this month though.
And the last thing I'll say about that is we live in a world where everything is instant gratification, right? We need it now, we want it now. And when you grow plants from seed, that's not the way it works, right? It takes a lot of time, and then things happen, right? The weather, animals, so things don't always go according to plan. And I think it's a very humbling experience, and just really makes you appreciate nature that much more. And then when you do see that first flower bloom, it's a totally different experience than ordering something on Prime and getting 2-day delivery. You know what I mean? You're working for something for so long and taking care of it, and then being able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's something special. So yeah, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, here's your reminder to create the world you want to live in. See you soon.